is for ambulance, siren wailing loud and fast, rushing by with lights that flash. B is for bus, big and sturdy, long and wide, carrying passengers inside. C is for car, four wheels rolling smooth and far, driving roads near and far. D is for dump truck, carrying loads of sand and stone, dropping dirt with rumbling tone. E is for excavator, long arm digging in the ground, moving heavy soil around. F is for fire truck, bright red engine, bold and bright, rushing quickly to the fight. G is for garbage truck, picking trash up every day, keeping dirty waste away. H is for helicopter, whirling blades that spin so fast, flying high above the vast. I is for ice cream truck, playing music down the lane, bringing treats again and again. J is for Jeep, climbing hills both rough and steep, driving strong like a Jeep. K is for kayak, little boat that glides along, floating where the rivers run. L is for limousine, long and shiny, sleek and slow, where the special people go. M is for motorcycle, two wheels racing down the way, zooming fast without delay. N is for navy ship, sailing proudly on the sea, guarding waters, brave and free. O is for off-road vehicle, bumpy roads it loves to ride, through the mud it glides with pride. P is for police car, flashing lights of red and blue, keeping everyone safe for you. Q is for quad bike, four big wheels that spin so fast, riding trails and fields so vast. R is for rocket, blasting upward to the sky, reaching stars so high. S is for submarine, diving deep beneath the sea, where the fish swim happily. T is for train, chugging down the railway track, pulling coaches on its back. U is for utility truck, carrying tools from place to place, helping workers in the race. V is for van, roomy ride for family fun, travel trips for everyone. W is for wheelchair, rolling gently, smooth and slow, helping people where they go. X is for X-ray van, doctors travel near and far, helping health like a moving star. Y is for yacht, sailing softly on the sea, where the waves run wild and free. Z is for Zeppelin, floating slowly in the sky, drifting gently way up high.